In Inventor 2023.2, we've improved pasting of sketch geometry. Sketches pasted from the clipboard now appear centered around the cursor. Also, when projecting geometry, Window Select is now supported, and this will work with both sketch geometry and part edges. When using Select Other selection cycling, extended information now shows the name of the sketch that the geometry belongs to make it easier to find in the browser. And if you amass a collection of unused sketches, the new Purge function will help you tidy up. Previously, you could select a face and export the geometry as a DXF or DWG. It is now possible to pick multiple collinear faces and export them as a single drawing. And here is the export in AutoCAD. When exporting flat patterns, any text, such as part numbers or notes, can now be exported as text information, so your DXF or DWG files will exactly match the Inventor file. All this and much more in Inventor 2023.2.